friends, welcome to Tallie's Tricks. Today I'm going to open up my squishy little marshmallow. This one is Mel. I think he's super adorable. I'm excited to check him out. Let's see. You can squeeze him and he pops. Let's see, you can shake upside down, pop in, upside down, and toss. So I have had a little trouble with some of these, figuring out how to get them to do all the different things. So I'm going to do my best to figure it out, and then if you have any tips or tricks, please let me know. And also, I did get the little Mel from the little snack pack. All right, check this out. I love how these open. Let's open this first. Here's our accessories, our instructions. So here's some of the other ones we can get. I know there's more than just these because I also have the pineapple to open. So this will be fun. Let's see, what does Mel like? All about Mel. Looks like he loves camping, s'mores, which are great, ice cream, cake, roasty marshmallow. It's just kind of funny because he is a marshmallow. And dress me up. What does this one say? Let's play. Oh, those are the different colors. What the different colors mean for his mood. Squeeze and he pops. Learn squish pop. Guess who? So when he says gaga woozy, he means guess who? Gaga woozy. All right. And the instructions again on how to play. All right, Mel. Hey, hey. All right, here's Mel. He's already roasted on the top. There's a switch on the back. He's in try me mode. And then there's off and on. Hey, hey. And he's got headphones. Oop, they fit barely. Whew. It's a snug fit, which is nice so they don't fall off. And cool glasses. Can he wear both? Ooh, he's one cool marshmallow. So let's pop. Oh, what did he say? Dagu, dagu, dagu. What does that mean? Sorry. Getting annoyed with me, jeez. Here's the things he can say. Here's the moods. Did you fall asleep on us? Oh my goodness. Here's how to play. Oh, he knows if he's popped or not. Okay, we can shake him. Green. Energetic. So he's got like rosy cheeks, but then there's a light up here. I'll change color. And then we can squish him or toss him. Green, he's energetic. Okay, orange means amused. Now he's energetic. Woo! Okay, so the different moods are loving, amused, silly, dreamy, energetic, and chill. He's amused. Sounds like he's judging me. Oh, did he toot? Oh my gosh, that's funny. Oh. Oh, that time he didn't toot. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the My Squishy Littles, and thanks for watching Tallie's Tricks. Bye.